Testimonial parade iginawad sa Flag Officer in Command ng Philippine Navy. Pinarangalan ng Philippine Marine Corps si Vice Admiral Toribio D. Adasi Jr. Philippine Navy ang Flag Officer in Command ng Philippine Navy sa pamamagitan ng Testimonial Parade and Review noong ika-6 ng Nobyembre taong kasalukuyan. Ito ay kaugnay sa ika-73 kaarawan ng Philippine Marine Corps. Binigyang pugay ng Philippine Marine Corps si Vice Admiral Adasi sa walang sawang suporta at paggabay na ibinibigay nito sa Philippine Marine Corps sa loob ng kanyang panunungkulan bilang aming Flag Officer in Command. Personal namang nangako si Vice Admiral Adasi na mas papaigtingin pa ang pagsuporta sa Philippine Marine Corps.
I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Philippine Marine Corps for rendering this testimonial parade and review in my honor. This afternoon, you have successfully demonstrated an exceptional military tradition that reminded us of the excellence that defines our Philippine Marines. For 73 years, you have been a significant component not only of the Philippine Navy, but of the entire armed forces of the Philippines.
Ang ginawang testimonial parade at review ay bilang pagbibigay parangal sa Flag Officer in Command bilang panauhing pandangal sa anibersaryo ng Philippine Marine Corps.